222309, the People versus Mac Glasper.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Glasser. Waive reading of the complaint, stand mute. He's going to enter into a plea, Your Honor, where he's going to plead guilty to the fail to display. He's got 2 tickets that are in default that we're asking the court for some relief on. There are multiple holds. He is unemployed. He's asking for any kind of relief that he could get from the court. He's been in custody 1 day on this case.
We'll get credit for that. Mr. Glasper, do you want to serve days in jail to waive your fines and costs? Is that a no? I can't hear. You're muted over there. Hold on. Ask them to unmute your iPad. You're muted. There we go. Sir, is that a no? You have warrants. You're not going anywhere, Mr. Glasper.
No, I don't want to serve. No, I don't want to serve time for tickets. No, ma'am, I don't. I'm sorry that I.
All right, it's not. There's also a misdemeanor, but you're not going anywhere anyway. You have tickets out of Dearborn, or I don't know what they are. You have holds out of Dearborn, MSP South, MSP North, Novi, Inkster, and Westland. So you're not going anywhere anyway. You've got 5 or 6 other courts to go to. You understand that?
No, I don't, ma'am. I didn't even know I had them warrants at all. And I'm going to try to pay all my tickets. I paid for my license. I don't even know how my license is suspended. Could you please just give me
I know how your license is suspended. You literally have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 warrants. So,
yeah, ma'am, I didn't know because I wasn't living at that Duncan address. My landlord lost the house. I've been homeless. Like, please, right. I got 2 kids I gotta get home to.
Well, I can't let you out. Those aren't my holds. Those aren't my court. You have to go see all these other judges. So on this case, you were charged with a driving while license suspended. The prosecutors offered you a reduction down to fail to display. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $100 plus court costs and statutory fees. Do you understand that?
I really don't, ma'am. But honestly, could I please just pay on my...
No, Mr. Glasper, listen to me. What don't you understand about what I just said?
Everything. I didn't even know that I got these tickets, ma'am. I didn't know about none of this. I didn't stay at the house.
You have a ticket. Listen to me. Did you go over your constitutional rights with your lawyer? Yeah, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your rights?
Oh, this shit is crowded. Tickets. Oh. Man, they here treat me like an animal over tickets. That's all I got is tickets, and I will try to pay them.
What you have? I don't know what you have. All I know from looking at this is you have a problem making it to court. But because it doesn't tell me what the charges are. It just tells me where you have holds on. And you have holds in Dearborn, MSP South, MSP North, Novi, Inkster, Westland, and in Detroit. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but I never received none of the mail because I didn't live at that house.
Okay. All right. Listen. So on this case, Mr. Glasper, did you go over your constitutional rights with your lawyer?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am. I guess, yes. This shit is crazy, though.
You understand you have a right to an attorney, and Mr. Gazicki's here representing you today. Do you understand that?
Oh, this is crazy.
Do you understand that, Mr. Glasper?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. And you understand you're here today because you have a charge for driving while suspended. So it's a driving on a suspended license misdemeanor. And that's punishable by up to 90 days and a fine of up to $500. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am, I do. It's no way that you can contact the rest. I didn't know about these other warrants, ma'am. I'm not.
So, sir, you also have 2 tickets. You have a ticket from December 28th for prohibited right or left turn. And then you have a double parking ticket as well And that's from July 20th of 23. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I do now, but man, like, please, if y'all help me, like, they in here treat me like an animal.
I cannot, I know, Mr. Glasper, you have to deal with those other issues at other courts. I can't release you. Listen to me. I only have control over cases that are in front of me. You have to go see a judge in Inkster. You have to go see a judge in Dearborn. You have to go see a judge in Novi. You have to go see a judge in Westland unless they release you on a bond. And that has nothing to do with what you're here for today. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. So I'm saying it's a possibility that I can be released. I gotta get to my daughter, man. I am a single dad.
Mr. Glasper, you just told me you were homeless. Where's your and you're a single dad? Is your daughter homeless?
I said I'm a single dad. I live with my mother right now, man. I stay with my mother.
All right. Mr. Glasper, there's a reduction on this case where the prosecutor's willing to reduce it to a failing to display a valid license. Are you interested in that plea at all?
Yes.
All right, and that's still a misdemeanor. You could get up to 90 days, and you could get a fine of up to $100 plus statutory costs and court costs. You understand that?
Yes, I really don't. Yeah.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I really don't, but yeah, can I make a call to my mama, please?
Listen, okay, I'm not going to take a plea. We're not doing a plea today. He doesn't understand. Mr. Glasper, he doesn't understand. So, Mr. Glasper, I just want to tell you your constitutional rights. You have a right to a trial, and at the trial, you have the following rights: to call witnesses to speak for you at trial, and you can get an order signed by the court to require the witnesses to come to court. You have a right to see, hear, and question all the witnesses against you at trial. You have a right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent. If you chose not to be a witness on your own behalf, the prosecuting attorney could not comment on your refusal to testify. And you also have a right to be presumed innocent until you are proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Ma'am, so like, what is the next step? I just gotta stay here forever?
Sir, I don't know. I don't know what's happening on those other cases. You'll have to see other judges, and whether you do it via Zoom, whether you're transported to county, whether the police department calls all of those departments to find out if they want you. I mean, I don't have an answer for you. A lot of these cases have bonds. You could post bonds, or you could see a judge. I mean, I can't tell you what's happening at other courts, Mr. Glasper, because I don't have that information.
Do I have a bond right now?
Anything, Mr. Gazicki, with respect to bond?
Your Honor, I think at the discretion of the court, I understand he has multiple warrants. I'd still ask for a personal bond considering it's traffic, but.
Yeah, it's traffic, and generally I would give a personal bond on this, but it's a little concerning when I have someone in front of me that has 10, 18 warrants.
I can understand.
Can come to court.
Yeah.
So we'll get him a court date expedited. Sir, you have a $300 cash bond. You are to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number, and you cannot operate a motor vehicle without a valid license.
Ma'am, if I don't even know what to say. I understand. And them warrants I really didn't know about. I'm not a bad person. I got 2 kids. I've been trying to work on life, work and stuff like that. I'm not a bad person, ma'am. I'm not trying to duck and dodge y'all or anything. I will come to court. I have no problem with that.
Mr. Glasper, I never said you're a bad person. I don't think you're a bad person. I don't know anything about you. All I know is that I see someone in front of me who has 18 warrants all over Wayne County. And I have to make a decision as to whether or not I think you're a flight risk. And you are. This case has been warrant status for over a year. So it's a $300 cash bond and we'll set you a court date.
All right,
All right. Thank you.